Uh, Good day. My name is Michael John Ranay. I'm a senior student from BSN Social Studies 1B, and I would like to interview you for my PATFIX subject. So, for my first question, can I ask your name?
My name is Loris Japinito Igot. Mara.
Okay. Nice to meet you, sir. First question is, what sport do you do?
My sport is basketball.
Okay. So, what time of day do you usually prefer to work out? Unsa ka orasa sa adlaw
I
mag-gym?
usually prepare to train every late at night or hapon.
Okay, thank you very much. So, how many days per week do you usually train? Like once a week, twice,
3 times a week.
3 times a week? Okay.
Depends on the schedule.
Okay. So, how long have you been training in the gym as an athlete?
About 2 years, 3 years.
3 years consistent. Okay, okay, okay. So, what is your main fitness goal right now? Like, what is your goal in going to the gym right now? Will you like bulking up
Right
or
now, I'm
something?
cutting.
You're cutting.
Kasi mabigat na ang aking katawan.
Okay, okay. Thank you for answering the question. Do you prefer working out alone or would you like to train with a partner?
I actually prefer working out with my friends because mas mabilis yung oras pag ganun.
Okay, okay, okay. So you usually prefer training with other people. Okay. So,
Uh,
what's your go-to pre-workout meal or snack? Do you have a set meal to eat or do you just eat anything?
mga banana lang pag wala talagang pagkain, banana.
Okay.
Banana.
So, you should enjoy just fruits
Mm,
for your snacks. Okay.
yes, sir.
So, what's your favorite muscle group to train? Like, unsa na parte si mong lawas imong ganahan i-train pag maayo unsa man imong
Leg or
calves, muscles,
core shoulder.
your shoulder day. Okay, do you follow a specific workout program or do you create your own? Like na ba kayo muhang exercise na plano or tanaw ra ka sa
I
YouTube?
usually follow an strict program sa coaches ko eh.
So you have a coach, guys. Sige, sige, sige.
Yeah.
So, how do you stay motivated on days that you don't feel like training? Like, unsay mong source of inspiration para mo padayon ka sa imong
Kanang
pag-gym?
yun. Kanang hinumduman ni mo giun sa kanila pag underestimate o prove them wrong. Atik.
Okay, that's your main source of motivation, wala day.
Enjoy lang yun on what you're doing yun.
Okay, thank you. So, next question. What's one exercise you think that everyone should include in their routine?
Kanjud siya na ang mga exercise dyan sa core kay gamit yun kay siya ba?
So core exercises. Okay, okay, okay. Next
Hello.
question is, what gym equipment do you usually use?
Barbell, dumbbell, mga ganun. Kasi
Okay, so weightlifting
mga
pag
daming
na
madaming
equipment
gagawa.
day. Okay, so last question. What's the heaviest thing that you can lift?
Around mga 80 kg guro. Deadlift,
80
100.
kilos deadlift. Okay.
100 yun lang.
Okay, it seems that you're a very strong and athletic person as a basketball player. And I would like to thank you for this interview, Sir Jap Jap Igot. So that
Sir,
would that would be all. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
kaya sir na, bye-bye.